Good morning from Angeles City, Philippines. MacArthur Highway. Boy, is it a bright, sunny morning. There ain't a single cloud in the sky. Thank God it's got a nice little breeze. We're just going to take our walk, our morning stroll. Give you an update on the construction here on Walking Street. Somebody asked, what's going on? What kind of construction? They're putting drain ditches in. They've been putting them in around this area for the past couple months. They did right up Fields Avenue. They did it. The one side street up here that parallels Walking Street. Now they're doing Walking Street. So yeah, that's what's going on. A drain ditch project. I did ask how much water they get through here, and they did say quite a bit, so hopefully it'll alleviate some of the flooding that takes place down this street when it rains. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Good guys. There's no hammer today. I know the one video I did, the jackhammer was hammering away and making all kinds of noise. There is no jackhammer today, so you won't be hearing the jackhammering. Watch out here. You know they got construction, they're still allowing vehicles to come down through here. Now here's where they started, and this is completed right now, as you can see. Concrete's all poured. You gotta watch. This all, obviously it's trucks from the construction project that's going on. Yeah, guys, I am on day 3. Day 3, guys. What am I talking about? Day 3. Remember I did a video about putting down the fire stick, the devil's fire stick. I'm on day 3. Doing okay. Doing okay. Haven't had real big cravings. I am wearing a patch, but I'll be ditching that. Mind over matter, right? Thank you for all the words of encouragement. Oh, the trike's lined up here. What are the trikes for? What's all the trikes for? Why are you guys all down here lined up?
Because there's no passenger.
Oh, no passenger. You guys are down here. Oh, so this is a staging area. Where's all the passengers? Where are all the passengers? Waiting, right? All right. It's a staging area. Yeah, so I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Mind over matter. I get some cravings, but nothing real hard, nothing real crazy. However, I can't sleep at night. It's not like my body is like craving. I just can't sleep at night. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the patch is doing it. Who knows? I'll get some sleep, right? This place is still for rent. Arabesque, still for rent. Old Moon Bar. Let me see something here. I wanted to peek my head in there quick. They don't open until 10 o'clock. Guys, that was the old High Society. Yeah, High Society? Yeah. And I know everybody says, oh, I wish High Society would come back. It ain't coming back, guys. It's just not coming back. That is gone. You'll never see another High Society again. Captain Jack, how you doing? You all right? All right. They still got their Christmas stuff up, huh? Still got their Christmas tree up, right? Yeah. You'll never see a High Society come back. They have other clubs that have replaced it. I don't know, people, oh, I wish High Society would. Not happening. I actually thought they were going to move to another area, but they never did. So, like I said, other clubs have popped up. You know, here, 5540. We're going to go down the road here and check. 5540, for some reason, they always have a good rate. 5540.
Yeah.
They always have a good rate, right? Yeah. You can see they've made it all the way up here. They made it up right to the Viking Club. They're moving right along. They should be. I cannot see why they wouldn't be done by the end of the month. They're moving right along. You know, somebody said, well, great time to do it. Well, when is a great time? Yeah, obviously you can't do it in the down season when it's rainy season, because you're never going to get it completed. Too much rain. So why not do it now, right? No time is better than the time. But yeah, they're up here to right outside Bad Boys. Morning.
Morning.
There's Bar Nana. The controversial Bar Nana. You can see right here. Actually right here, quality. Right outside Club Tches. Morning. There you go, right here. Gotta get by Angie Wade because they always love to play music. Right at the window. Looks like they prefab the rebarb here. Notice when there's construction going on, a lot of the clubs will play loud music so you don't have to hear the construction work that is going on. It doesn't even matter. In the end, it doesn't even matter. That's the noisemaker there. What's up, guys? You see they put these planks over top of the ditch for at night so people can access the clubs without falling in the ditch. Plus it's lit pretty well between the lights here in the... What's up, buddy?
Hey, my friend.
End of the month, right? Should be done, right? Yeah. Are they going all the way up to the end? All the way to the end. All right, good deal. All right, good job, guys. All the way to the end.
Bridge over troubled water.
Bridge over troubled water. I would imagine they'll go up and tie into the other drainage system up here. We'll see when it gets close to when they get up there. All right, let's continue our walk. Check this out. That big truck right there. I think that is sugarcane. Look at that truck, man. You can tell that truck that's an old truck, heavy duty. That's pretty cool. You'll see them quite a bit here, especially out in the provinces. You'll see them big trucks loaded for sugarcane. Where they're going, what they're doing with it, I don't know. I would imagine going to a sugarcane factory, right? First time I ever ate sugarcane was down in the province. Sky tracks. Looks like the front is being closed. Looks like they got a little, what do you call it inside there? A little opening. Flowers. As you gotta watch here though, if you're coming out of Skytrack, be careful. You got this ditch right here. You could easily fall. What's up, my friend? You could easily fall there, so be careful. Be very careful. Let me see. All right, so you're saying a soft opening now. Officially January 26th is the grand opening. Okay, all right. Well, yeah, really nice. Look at this big difference from the old club till now. This is your entranceway. Your stairs going upstairs, of course. Last time I was in here, none of this was here. Here's all your couches right here. This is nice, guys. I know it's dark. I apologize. There's your stage up there. more seating here. Your bar to your right. All upstairs is seating. I'll have to get in here when they're up and running, but it's looking nice. Very nice. If you were in here before, now you can see what it looks like now. So yeah, according to the gentleman at the door, he was telling me just a soft opening now. And the grand opening is later on this month. Yeah, guys, the hours he was telling me is 9 to 5. I said, those are working hours, right? Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living. So 9 to 5. And let's continue our walk, shall we? Wonder what's gonna go in here. There's cabbies. Time will tell, time will tell. Places come and go, right? They come and go. Morning. Morning. I don't know. Eclipse. Another one. All real close to each other. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one, 5. 5 clubs. Now this club here on the left. Hey, good morning. Lancelot or Camelot? I haven't seen their doors open in a while. They're usually open in the morning. Maybe they're only going to be open in the evening now. I don't know. But they're closed. I'll have to ask around. Find out if they're out of business already. I will definitely have to ask on my way back through. The one gentleman I always ask about things, I didn't see him this morning. I'll find out. Oh yeah, let's see, what is the rate here at Natalia Hotel? See, $55.20, a little bit cheaper. Guys, when you exchange a lot of money, that 20 peso difference makes a big difference. All them little pesos add up. Watch another crazy area right here. Get your leg taken out or something. Let's see, is 7-Eleven open yet? Nope. 7-Eleven is still temporarily closed. I say they'll open soon. Looks like activity. Looks like the shelves are full. Yes, the freezers are full. Shelves are starting to fill up. They'll open real soon. Looks like you're doing construction here. New company coming in here. What's up, guys? What's coming in here? Something new? Something new? What kind of shop? You know? Are you just construction guys? Voila, English? No? All right, guys. Looks like they're laying concrete down and... Oh, yes, sir. All right. This guy will ask me. He'll ask me right here on the left. I'm good, my friend. I'm good, my friend. Every time. Like he said, it only takes one sale. Hey, somebody asked me about Margarita Station here. The building itself and the land and property, from my understanding, is not for sale. The building is for lease. If you want to lease it, morning. If you want to lease that and run a business out of there, it is for lease. And yet boss. Actually pretty quiet today. Let's see what the vendors are up here. I'm going to say 55.20. I were to guess 55.20. Oh, there's one right there. I'm looking. Magkano for hat?
150, my friend.
150? That's a good price. All right. All right.
Say you live here.
I said, because you live in here. That's why it gives me a good price. There's what's probably right now is in season. Morning. This seems to be a new one. 150 for shorts. Good price. Ah, 55.20, 55.20, 55.20. That's it, 55.20, 55.40 down the street. That's your better price, right? These on the end here are probably going to be 55.20 also. Yes, 55.20. All right, guys. That's it. That's the action. That's what's going on here. The construction update. People ask, like I said, it is drainage. You're putting drainage in. That's what's going on. So, all right, guys. Let me shoot down here quick. Let me find out if Lancelot is closed or if it's just they're open different times of the day.
Hey, bro.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up?
You all right? All right. I watch out for guys like that.